अनायका,
Yes, sir.
यस। हाँ प्रिंसेस, मम्मी सब अरेंज करके देगी तब तू आएगी।
No, sir. I was
फिर
here.
कुछ नहीं कर सकती है।
Yeah, I can do it.
वेरी गुड। देखो, सी दिस इज 5 पैसा। आपको देखने को नहीं मिलेगा अभी। कैन यू सी दिस?
Yes.
Sir, I also have that. I think.
दिस इज 5 पैसा, राइट?
Sir, I have still 25 paisa too.
हाँ, ये देखो यहाँ पे 10 पैसा ही है।
Sir, the pictures are given in the book.
हाँ करेक्ट, लेकिन ये देखने को नहीं मिलेगा फिजिकली तुमको, राइट? देखो,
Sir,
दिस
I
इज
have
ऑल्सो 10 पैसा।
25 paisa.
दिस इज 10 पैसा। ओके, दिस इज 25 पैसा। सी इट इज रिटन
I
25
see
पैसा,
this.
राइट? मैं एक बार चेक करता हूँ कि मेरा यहाँ पे इफ आई कैन टेक अ वीडियो का वीडियो सेटिंग बैकग्राउंड।
Sir,
हाँ बेटा।
Anika has these rupee notes of 1, 2, and 5.
हाँ करेक्ट। जिससे इट इज
हाँ।
इज नॉट गोइंग वीडियो का मेरा फोकस है ना, इसके लिए। ठीक है, आई हैव अ मोड सो आई कैन नॉट टेक इट। ब्लर माय बैकग्राउंड, एज इज द बैकग्राउंड एंड इफेक्ट।
कोई भी cancel.
चलो ठीक है। तो देखो मेरे पास बहुत सारे पैसे हैं, देखो आई हैव मैनी कॉइन। देखो सो मच कॉइन्स आई हैव, राइट? लेकिन दिस
पैसा।
इज नॉट, हाँ दिस इज नॉट इन सर्कुलेशन नाउ एनी मोर, राइट? दिस इज नॉट यूज, राइट? दिस इज फॉर यू टू सी के हाउ अर्लियर मनी
Sir,
वाज देयर व्हेन आई
can
वाज
I
इन
go
स्कूल।
to washroom?
वो बेटा,
Anika.
हाँ बेटा अभी तो आई है, जल्दी जाके आ। कीप द वीडियो ऑन एंड गो एंड कम फास्ट। ओके चलो, ठीक है। Okay, so money I've shown you last time. Okay, let me share the screen. So,
Oh.
yeah, we got done. ज्ञान आ गया है। दिशा तो लास्ट टाइम आ गई थी।
कलर में। ट्वेंटी 25।
Sir, Anika's back.
हाँ,
So, this is 2 rupee, right?
which one बेटा?
This one.
Sir, I have one
Yeah,
question.
this is 2 rupee. Yes, this is
Sir,
And
two.
I also have 1 rupee.
sir,
Yes,
this is
very nice.
this. Sir, I have a question. This both are 10
And so
paisa.
5 also.
Different
Yes, correct.
size.
And so there's also one more, which
Which
is
one?
10. So there's also one more, which is 10.
Ah, yes, this is very old one. This is very beautiful note. I like this note print. चलो, you have seen 1 rupee coin. It was that अभी का जो 10 रुपये का coin है, it is bigger than that. It was that big coin, right? Chalo, ठीक है. So we'll start with this now. Now money, you have one conversion, right? What conversion in money have? Money is 1 rupee is equal to, now this is called as rupee. Okay, 1 rupee, RE you write, which is equal to 100 paise. In short form, you write 100p, and this is rupee 1. Now there is a new symbol which has come recently in 2-3 years. It is, we call it a rupee like this, right? Correct? This is a rupee symbol, right? So if you have a shortcut in this, you can write the rupee in your laptop also, right? Okay, on your this thing, you can write rupee symbol. Correct? So now it is 1 rupee is called as rupee, and then you become rupees after 2, right? Here is 2 rupee, 5 rupee, they've written, but it is rupees. Right? The type of money in particular country is called as currency. Now, different currency have different different countries have different currencies, right? Dollar, euro, pound, sterling. Okay. There are different currency, different countries name it. And if you want to react Japan, you have yen. Okay. Now, wherever you go in that country, everywhere the rupee will not work, right? You go to Dubai, you will have dirham, right? Correct?
Sir, I have one query.
Bol beta.
Over here, I have 2 paisa. Both of them are 10, but why is the size different?
Where? So it is different size. Now, if you have 10 paisa different size, now you have 1 rupee different size, 5 rupee you have different size. Over a period of time.
Sir, but both of them are 10 rupees.
Correct, darling. But then, as the see earlier, the 100 rupees was this big, like even bigger than the 500 rupee note, right? That was that big. But then, as they go along, the size becomes smaller, and there is a different design of the notes are introduced, right? Now, suppose if you see on this note, can you see Gandhiji looking on the left hand side, and here they are
Yes.
looking on the right hand side, right?
Yes.
Correct. The Gandhiji is on the center part. Here it's on the left hand side, right hand side, right? So it depends on what kind of note you have and what time it was printed, right? Now here 2000 rupees also not there now, right? Now if you see here, you will say, we say this is 7 paisa. Now note that coins of 5 paisa, 10 paisa, 20 paisa and 50 paisa and note denomination of 1 rupee and 2 rupee note is not in use, correct? Now you have what Anaika showed, 1 rupee, 2 rupee. Now it is not in use. You may sell it, that is okay, different thing, but then you don't use it now, right? Now 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. This is conversion. Like how you have different conversions like kg, gram, or kilometer to meter, something like that. When we learn the land mass capacity, that time I'll tell you what is conversion. That is unit conversion, right? So when you give 1 rupee, that is called as paisa. You get 100 paisa, right? Yes.
Sir,
Now 8 rupee.
I have the rupee from before the independence.
Yes. I have also that. I have like ring time of paisa you had, right? Correct. So दादा ने रखा होगा तुम्हारे, right? Dada must have kept it. Chalo. So this is 14 rupees conversion. Now this is very easy to learn. Okay. Now suppose you want to say 13 rupee and 45 paisa to convert into paisa. So you multiply rupee with 100 and then you add. Now whenever you want to add or subtract or you want to compare, you have to convert in the same unit, right? Or it is called as like term. When you do fractions or decimal, I'll tell you how to convert this, right? Now, whenever you have to write, that is called as decimal point. When we teach, I'll teach fraction and decimal, that time I'll tell you. That is called as, suppose you write 13 rupees and 45 paisa. So you write rupee 13.45. Now this is called as decimal point. What is called as? Decimal point. Always rupee comes after the decimal point. Paisa comes after the decimal point, and here rupee comes after the before the decimal point, right? Now, the rupee, suppose you have, I just give you an example. Suppose you say add 25 rupees and 432 paisa, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
25, this is 25 rupee. Okay, so now 25 rupee I can convert into paisa, right? So 25 rupee will get convert multiply by 100. This we already done, right? So 2500 p. Now then you can add 2500 plus 432. So you get 239. So you become 2932 paisa. And if I want to convert into rupee, you get rupees 29 and 29 32 paisa, right? Or you can write rupee is equal to 29.32. This point means after this point, whatever you get, you call it as paisa. Correct? Got this point?
Yes.
Okay. Now, whenever you want to add this in this thing, you will have only and only two decimal. Now, 432 paisa, what does it mean? 432 paisa means it is 4 rupees and 32 paisa. Correct? Got it? So if you want to convert, we have just done last class. When you have divide by 100, say 432 divide by 100. So what do you do divide by 100? You have to take 1 and 2, cut this. So it becomes rupee 4 and 32 remainder, which becomes a paisa. Right? Clear? This much? Okay. So now we'll see what we can write. Right? This is we have already done 1 rupee. Okay. This is paisa. Okay. Now this is a number name you have to write, right? Now what is the number? Rupee. I'll just write. Let's see, 40. Okay. Now it is what? Rupee 248. कितना है?
Rupee 248.
248. एंड पैसा कितना है? 70. Correct? So this is we are writing here only. So you just have to write in a book. Or if you don't have enough space, you can write in a textbook also, right?
Sir, can we
Yeah.
write in notebook?
Yeah, you can write in a notebook. No problem, beta. You can write in a notebook. If you don't have a space, you can write in a notebook. Okay. 306 rupee and 7 paise 7. Right? This is how you write. Okay, last one. 476, right? Rupees. What is this? 476 and पैसे 0. Correct? ठीक है? Sora done? ठीक है. Now here, conversion. What do you know? You have to convert this into paisa. What is this? Convert the following amount into paise, right? What do you do? To convert this in paisa, what do you need to do? Multiply by 100. What you should do?
Multiply by
Multiply
100.
by 100.
Right. So, multiply
By 100.
by 100. Correct? So when you convert, the rupee will convert into paisa, right? And paisa will not have any effect, right? So only rupee you have to multiply by 100, right?
100.
Multiply
Yes, 100.
rupee by 100, correct?
100.
I'll just say यहाँ पे rupee multiply by 100, correct? You want to do this single, this one, also you can write this symbol. Instead of rupee, you can write this. राइट। पी सिंबल मेरे पास होगा नहीं से रुपी 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 रुपी। हाँ या करेक्ट। That is right. So when you solve this, you have to write this rupee to be multiplied by 100. Okay, ठीक है। यहाँ पे so 24 rupees. How do you write? I'll just convert this into 6.69, right? So I say 24 rupee and decimal. Just for the shortcut, I'll write 24 rupee and 6 paisa. How do you write? How do you write 6 paisa?
0.6.
0.06. You have to have two decimal places, right? 2409. Because in the paisa, you should have 2 points, right? Two numbers, right? Now here you have 7 rupee and 9 paisa. So you have 7 and you have 09, correct? So how many paisas you have? 709. Then you have 1 rupee and how many paisa? 1 paisa. How do you write 1 paisa? 01, correct? That is 101 paisa. Clear? Everybody? The next one. 95 paisa. How do you write 95? So 95, they have already given 0.95. When you multiply this, the decimal will shift on the right hand side by 2 points, right? So it becomes 95, 95 paisa. Everybody start solving in your book, huh? Whatever I'm writing, you should also write. So at least you will get the 0
Write the notebook is
10
okay.
paisa. Yeah, yeah. It's a notebook only you have to write. If you don't have this, you don't know how to write on the PDF, you can write on a notebook, right? But you write the rupee, this, and then you say 7 paisa. Okay. Now here, what is that? Divide by 100, right? So what you have to divide by 100? Paise divide by 100. Now whenever you divide paise by 100, what will happen? This will go on the this paise, right? After these two decimal point, you have to write. Correct? So I'm just writing. Before this two decimal, this will get converted into paisa, and after this, before this, whatever you have, the two decimal places, you will have what? Rupee. Correct? So here, how many rupee you have? 1 rupee and 87 paisa, right? Here, what do you have? 6 rupees and how many paisa? 03. Everybody can see my screen or no?
Yes.
No, फिर कैसे करने का बेटा? This is how many? 203 rupees and how many paisa? 48, correct?
So 0.48.
0.48 नहीं बेटा. You have to convert into rupee and paisa, right? So you have to write in rupee and paisa format बेटा, right? You have to write rupee before this and paisa after this, right? Clear? Chalo. So here again the same thing. What do you have? How many rupees are there? It is 300 rupees and how many paisa? 03. Correct? Then you have how many? 163 paisa. 160. That means 1 rupee and 60 paisa, right? Here you have 207. That is 2 rupee and 7 paisa. Clear? Done? Now you can write 04 or you can write 4, which is all okay, right? Correct? If you write 1 paisa also, it is okay. If you write 03 also, it is okay, right? So 1 paisa. You have 03. Then you have 7 paisa. You have 60 paisa, 4 paisa. You have 0 paisa, 20 paisa, 87. Okay, this is 0.3. You can write 3 paisa directly. Okay, done. Now, how many 5 paisas convert paisa then divide by 5? क्या करने का सबसे पहले? If you want to say how many 5 paisa coins are there, right? So what you do? First you convert this into paisa, right? So what you do? How many 10 paisa? Again, what you need to do? Divide by this and convert
Yeah.
into paisa and divide by this, right? So what it will be? 640 divided by 10. What do you get? 64 coins, right? Chalo. Who is going to answer this now? Chalo. Who will answer this? Arav. Next. How many B? How many paisa are there?
How many 10 paisa coins will
Correct. So
huh?
9 rupee and 10 paisa. So how many 10 paisa will be there? What you do? Convert into paisa. So remove the dot and convert into paisa, right? So it is 2.
Yes.
So 910 divide by 10. So divide by 10, this 0 will go, right? So you have
Yes.
91 coins, correct? When you
Yes.
divide by 10, what will happen? The 0 will get cut, right? Yes
Yes.
or no?
Yes.
Very good. Chalo. Next, Abhiraj,
Uh,
13 rupees.
100. 100.
13 rupees is
One,
divided by 10 is how many coins?
uh, 130.
Very good. Okay. Next, Advika,
Um,
19 rupees and 30 paise.
Sir, I'm
क्या आ
not
रहा है?
understanding this.
आवाज कहाँ से आ रहा है?
No, there's no voice.
No, there is something. Now see, Advika. Okay. What is this? Okay. I'll just put this. Okay. Suppose you have 2 rupees, right?
Yes.
So 2 rupee, how many 10 paisa will make 2 rupees, right? Suppose if I say 2 rupee, first you need to convert into paisa, right? So it is 200 paisa, correct?
Yes.
Now if I say how many 10 paisas are there, right? So when you do 10
Yes.
plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, such that it becomes 200, right?
Yes.
Yes. So what you do? This is repeated addition is multiplication. So what you do is 10 multiplied by something will give you 200, right? So what you multiply by 10 to get 200?
Um.
How many coins you multiply to get 200?
Ten.
Hmm. चलो बोलो बोलो बेटा हाउ मेनी कॉइन्स यू विल हैव
10.
10 होगा तो 10 into 10 100 होगा 10 into 10 will be only 100 paisa, right? So you require
Yes.
20 coins, right? Now whenever you want to divide this, it is very easy to do it, right? 200 divided by 10, right? Because you have to see how many 10 rupee coins are there, right? 10 paisa coins are there, right? So you just cut this, cut this. You get how many?
20.
20 coins. Correct? Eh?
Yes.
Easy. Now
Yes.
there is a problem because you have 20 paisa, right? So 20 paisa, what you'll do? first you convert into paisa and then divide by 20. Correct?
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
So now, very good. So here what you have? 560. Now I'm just writing here. Okay, you tell me, Advika. I'm writing 560 divided by 20. Correct?
Yes.
I can cut this 0 0 easily.
Yes.
Now
Yeah.
56 divided by 2, what you get?
Um.
Think. Okay, I'm not writing the answers. Okay, chalo. You tell me how much you'll get. You can do a working in your notebook also if you want, right?
Okay.
I'm just writing this here. By the time everybody solve this and keep it your answer ready.
So,
I'll just show you shortcut how to do it. Yes, beta?
Anaika still didn't understand how to do it.
Who, beta?
Anaika.
Anaika. Very good. Okay, chalo. I'll explain. Now, what do you mean? Whether you understand why we are dividing it?
No.
Very good. Suppose
Does not understand.
okay. Now you have, chalo. I'll say you have 200 chocolates. Kitna?
200.
Okay. You want to give 10 chocolates to each of your friend, right?
Hmm.
So how many friends you'll be able to give?
2.
20.
अच्छा
Again 20.
बीच में नहीं बोलेगा कोई बेटा आ रहा हूँ डोंट जिसका डाउट है वही बोलेगा करेक्ट
So, 2.
एक मिनट टू फ्रेंड्स
So, 20.
if you give two friends what will happen 10 to 1 10 to 1 you get how many chocolates 20
20.
only
Hmm.
you have to distribute 200 chocolates right so what do you do
You give 20 to each.
Yeah.
you will get 20 chocolate 20 friends right so when you divide 200 divide by 10 you know how to divide this right
Yeah.
correct Advika
Yes.
Advika wait
Yes.
Advika
So,
only speak
Anaika.
huh
So, it's Anaika.
Anaika sorry Anaika
Hmm.
you know how to divide this right
Huh.
10 to the
2.
20 correct 0 and when this comes 0 down
Hmm.
you get the
Yes.
0 here right so 20 correct
Yes.
but easiest method to do is cut the zeros the 10 division is very easy 10 20 30 40 50 all these or 100 is division is very easy correct
Hmm.
so what I do is cut this now you know 2 के टेबल में 20 56 आता है 2 can be अच्छा 56 can be divided by 2 yes right
Yes.
correct so what do you do 56 divide by 2 I'll tell you how to do orally right
Hmm.
but then I'll teach you this 2 2s are 4 1 remainder then 6 come down 2 8 are 28 correct sorry 16 is 0 correct so how many coins are there you got 28 coins kitna
28.
yes so that is what I written what I said convert into paisa and divide by 20 correct this is what I've written here na beta
Yes.
so now you have convert how to convert into paisa anything whatever here whatever there after the decimal point you just have to remove the decimal point and convert into paisa clear
Hmm.
yes or no
Yes.
ठीक है चलो rest everybody sir चलो कन्वर्ट करके मेरे को बताओ क्या होएगा
Sir, something save changes is coming in our scheme in the screen.
वो छोड़ दे मेरे को नीचे दिख रहा है ना यहाँ पे बेटा वो देख ले ऊपर छोड़ दे ठीक है
Then I got the answer.
नो प्रॉब्लम, लिख दो बेटा. चलो, अद्विका सॉल्व करेगी बेटा. अद्विका एंड अनायका.
Yes, sir.
चलो, व्हाट यू विल डू? 1440 डिवाइड बाय 20, करेक्ट?
Hmm.
तो 0 will get cut,
Yes.
correct? Now we want 144 divide by 2, right?
Yes.
तो 14 आता है 7 के टेबल में, अरे 2 के टेबल में.
हाँ.
2 7 जा
Yes.
14, and you get a 4 down,
14.
then 2 2 जा 4, correct? Yes.
Yes.
चलो, so next one, 1800 divided by 20, so 1 0 will get cut,
Hmm.
correct? This 0 will get cut. Now what is remaining is 180. 180 you divide into half, what will get?
Hmm.
Suppose you have 180 chocolates. You have to divide between Advika and Anaika. How many each will get?
Hmm. Sir, let me try.
हाँ?
Sir, I'm doing it in my book.
नहीं, बुक के क्यों करने का बेटा? This is half, you can do it very fast, right? Half you can do it very fast. 180.
Sir, 60.
60 plus 60 तो 120 होता है.
Then
60 plus 60 is 120. How much you will get?
Hmm.
Hmm? You have to make it 180 beta. So I'll just make 2 के टेबल में 18 आता है.
Yes. Yes.
2 9s are
9.
18. As in you 0, you put 0 here, right? 90 plus 90, 180, correct?
99.
Yes or no? Next, this 0 0 cut. Okay, 2 के टेबल में 2 आता है. Yes.
हाँ. Yes.
1. Then 2 के टेबल में 0, 0s are. And 2 के टेबल में 8, 4s are. Correct? This you can do orally also. Now divide by 25. This is very difficult, right? This is difficult to convert, right? Yes or no? But I'll tell you a simple trick to do it. Kitna? Can I tell you a simple trick to convert this or divide by 25? Yes or no?
Yes.
For 25 ka table, what you need to remember? Chalo, tell me. For divide by 20, it is very easy to do it. What you need to remember, you tell me.
25 table.
25 का टेबल पूरा याद करना है? नहीं करना है, right? So what do you do?
So you have to
25.
remember that you have to take out the 0.
नहीं, 25 में 0 है ही नहीं बेटा, कहाँ 0 निकालेंगे, right? 25 में there is no 0, right? It was 0 in the 20, 10 and 50. You can remove the 0, right? Or 100, right? How can you remove 0 in 25? There is no 0, right?
Yes.
Correct. So now 25 के टेबल में क्या करना पड़ेगा? What do you need to do? I'm just writing. First you convert into this 625. I'm writing. See, I'm converting 6.24 into 625 paisa. Then you 20 rupees is equal to how many? 20 rupees is how many? 2000, right? 2000 paisa, right?
Yes.
Then 1650 is what? 1650, correct?
650.
Very good. Then you have 825. How much?
104.
Very good. Chalo. Now for 25 table, you have to remember very very simple trick. क्या है? बहुत simple trick. 25 का टेबल बहुत simple है. See, I'll write 25, then 50, 75 and 100. है ना? After this, write again 25, 50, 75 and 00, right? You have to remember this. But after this 100, you will have 125, 150, 175, 200. Correct? And they have 225 and then 500. 250. Correct? Correct? Easy, eh? So then you have 275, you have 300. Can you see this? 25, 50, 75, 00. 25, 50, 75, 00. 25, 50, 75, 00. Clear, eh? Easy, eh? So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. यहाँ तक तुम्हारा नंबर ही नहीं आएगा. This will not be used only, right? Because it is division, right? So you have 2-digit number or 3-digit number maximum. Below 25, you will get this, right? Now you have 625. Can you see 625 यहाँ पे कहाँ पे आता है? Where it comes 625? This is 50, right?
Yes.
So how do you do it? 625
625
divided by 25, right? So 25 twos are 50, correct?
Yes.
Subtract, you get 2, 5. Now you get 125.
Yes.
So which you'll get? 125 is where? 5, right? Can you do this?
Yes. 0 0 0.
Yes. So when you say 625 divide by 25, correct?
25.
You get 25 coins, correct? This is what you got, right?
Yeah.
Now 2000. Can you say 20 can be divided by 25? No, right? 20 is less than 25. How can you divide? Correct? You should have more, right? So what do you take? 200. 200 comes in a table of 25.
So yes.
When it is?
10.
8.
Very good, 8. And you have one more 0 here, right? So 200 gone. When you divide by 8, 25 8s are 200, and then you have one more, right?
Which is divided by 10.
Which is 80. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Now 1650. Now you have 16 is not divisible. 165 comes in a table. 165 comes in a table. No, right?
No.
So what comes before that?
150.
Very good. 150 आएगा तो क्या आएगा? You have 6 coins here, right? And after this 150, when you subtract 165, you get 15, right? And then 0 again. So again 150. So again you have 66 coins. Clear?
Yeah.
So again you divide 6 and then divide by 6. Clear?
Yes.
Very good. So now here, Acha, if you don't know how to do orally, कोई problem नहीं. You can do it in the notebook how I showed here, right? Now I'll show you one more. 82. 82 is there?
Yes.
Eh?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. So what is that?
75.
Right? So 75 is 3 coins. And when you subtract this, 82 minus 75, what do you get?
80 minus 75.
82 minus 75. What do you get?
7.
7. And 5 will come down. Again 75.
Yes.
3 3 are 25 3 are 75. Clear?
Yes.
Done?
Yeah.
Easy it is?
Yeah.
Very good. Clear everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Now 50 paisa coin. Very easy. Remove the 0 and divide by 5, right? Correct?
Yeah.
So similarly, you have to have 5 ka table is also very easy. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. So when you do this, I am removing this and here I am writing everywhere 50. Correct? Then we write the coin separately. 50. This is 50. First what we'll do? Convert into paisa. What do you do? Convert into paisa. And how do you convert in paisa? Remove the point and keep the number together, right? So you have 7.50, which will happen 750, right?
Yes.
Correct? So what do you do? Remove this 0, correct?
Yes.
And divide by 75 divided by 5, you can do it. चलो
ये इसका नहीं लैपटॉप बंद पड़ेगा
क्या हो गया?
I know. I know
No.
the time. And I said, "You could have it." Okay, got Mama, Mama, carpet. हमरा भी रहते हैं पेंसिल की इन 5 पते के लिए क्या ना तो कभी
Come on. You know how to divide. 75 divided by 5. Tell me what you'll do. 75 divided by 5. You can do this, right?
Yeah.
चलो करो फिर. How much you'll get?
Wait, sir.
जल्दी.
35. 35 then और 5 then minus 2 तो इधर 2 आएगा 5 then 5 then 5 then 5 आया आंसर
चलो फटाफट बोलो. कैसे आएगा?
So 5 will go up.
5 will कैसे उब जाएगा?
So I
One
think
will go up. Sir, one will go up.
1 will go up.
One
5
will
ones are 5, right? 5 will
go
come
up.
down, beta. 5 ones are 5. 2 and 5
Then,
down. Then 5 5 are
25
20.
will come. Minus
5.
25 will come.
कितना कॉइन आया?
20.
15. Correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now same 1100 divided by 5, right? That is 0 0 will get cut. 1 1 10 divided by. Acha, shall I show you easy trick? Shall I show you easy trick in 5?
Yes. Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Just remember this. I am showing you some easy trick so that you can do mentally. Correct? Eh? Because you know divide by 10 is very easy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So what you do? This is I want 1100 divided by 5 करना है. Correct मेरे को? Sorry, 50 करना, right? Correct. So what I do? I multiply this by 2 and multiply this by 2. Correct है? Effect आएगा कुछ? दोनों को 2 से multiply? No, right? So what do you get here? 2200 divide by 100. क्या हो गया? Are you understanding what I am doing?
Answer is
Yes or no?
22.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
11
Answer
multiplied by
is
2.
22.
What? Huh?
Answer is 22.
Very good. आंसर नहीं चाहिए बेटा. समझ में आया तुमको?
हाँ.
Is everybody getting it what I am doing?
Yes.
Hello? अद्विका, अनायका, राज.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
राज
Yes.
तेरा हाथ से दे बेटा. क्या है? डाउट है?
नहीं अभी नहीं है.
नहीं है. हो गया डाउट क्लियर. वेरी गुड. ठीक है. नाउ अगेन 1750. करेक्ट. So what do you do? Second way you can do this is this way, right? 1750 divided by 50. So you cut करो, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Now here 175 is difficult to multiply, right?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
No.
नहीं, easy है. तो क्या होगा? 350 divided by 10. Cut this, you get a 35, right? So 175 में क्या करो? You add 75 plus 75, which will give 150, then 100 and 100, you get 200. Correct? So you get 350 divided by 10. So you get 35 coins. Correct? This is very easy. Chalo, you tell me this, what you'll get? 180 divided by 50 or 1800 divided by 50. What will you get the answer? Who will tell me? Come on.
One again.
बोलो. Tell me, क्या आएगा? अरे you can orally do it बेटा.
सर
You can do orally.
सर
हाँ बोल.
बाय 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 fives are 15, so 80. So 3 will go up and 15
इतना
will
क्यों
come
करेगा
down.
बेटा? आई शो यू शॉर्टकट राइट. हेलो बेटा, मैंने शॉर्टकट क्यों बताया तुमको? वाई शोड यू शॉर्टकट? तुम्हारा काम जल्दी हो राइट. 1800
36
डिवाइड
है
बाई
यार.
50 करना राइट. तो व्हाट यू डू?
Sir,
मल्टीप्लाई दिस
answer
बाई
is
2.
36.
36.
वेरी गुड. तो क्या होगा?
Answer is
3600
36.
डिवाइड बाई 100. करेक्ट. कितना आ गया? 36 कॉइन्स.
36.
क्लियर है?
Yes.
Yes.
इजी है. ठीक है. सपोज इफ आई टेल यू. ओके ओके, आई विल गिव सम एग्जांपल. ठीक है. You just say, I want you to divide 220 divided by 5. Correct? Can you do orally? Can you do orally? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Huh?
So 88 है.
Yes or no?
Yes.
2 and 2, right? What I do? You can't do orally, but this you can do orally, right? 44
2 are
divided
4.
by 10.
44.
This is to cut, you get a 44 answer, right? Easily you can do it, yes or no?
Yes.
Correct है? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, clear है? Now, this is even easy, right? Because this is rupee, you have to put 2 rupee coins, right? 1 rupee coin is very easy, yes or no?
Yes.
Just divide by same thing, right? Number of rupees is equal to number of coins, correct? So there is no problem. They will not ask for 1 rupee. But 2 rupee, again you have to divide. Just do it half. क्या करना है? Just do it half, correct? So I'm just taking here 2 rupee coins. What I'm saying, don't convert into paisa as it is for rupee 2, correct? So divide by 2 directly. Simple है, right? जितना भी rupees दिया है उसको divide by 2 करो. So I'm not converting in this into. Now if I want to write, I'll just write rupee also, right? Rupee symbol किधर गया? हाँ, rupee क्या है? Rupee 10 divide by 2. So half आता है करने के लिए? 10 divided by 2 is what? 5, right?
Wow.
सब चुप क्यों है? Are you getting it or not? If you are not getting, tell me. I'll explain again.
Sir, Arav is not able to write to 15.
एक एक करके. जिसको डाउट है वो खाली बोलेगा, जिसको डाउट नहीं है वो नहीं बोलेगा, राइट? जिसको
Sir,
डाउट है
Tian
वो
will
बोलेगा,
also
जिसको
have
डाउट नहीं है वो
doubted
थम्स अप देगा मेरे को, राइट?
Sir, Arav has doubt.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है. So what I'm writing, I am not writing here anything, right? I am just removing this 30 rupees and divide by 2 only I am writing, right? I am not writing the answer, right?
Sir, Tian also has doubt.
नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा, मैं सबको समझाता हूँ. डोंट वरी. एवरीबडी टू आई विल एक्सप्लेन एवरीवन, राइट? ठीक है. चलो, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द क्वेश्चन. आई कैन राइट दिस वे,
Doubt.
करेक्ट? ठीक है. and then I'll write here it is 100 rupees divided by 2. Correct? Clear hai? Now what I want to give it, I have lot of 2 rupees coins, right? Correct? I want to give it to Advika and Kiansh. Correct? ठीक है? I want to give it to Advika and Kiansh. Equal amount. Correct है?
Sir, but Aravan down.
नो प्रॉब्लम. सबको समझा दो ना बेटा. अद्विका को और कियांश को दे रहा हूँ. दैट डज नॉट मीन दे विल ओनली अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? यू विल आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? चलो, इंस्टेड ऑफ रुपी व्हाट आई गिव, आई गिव चॉकलेट्स. यस और नो? करेक्ट.
Yes.
सो रुपी विल टेक इट द चॉकलेट. करेक्ट? इजीली है. और यू
Yes,
वांट टू टेक मैंगो, विल टेक मैंगो. इफ यू वांट टू टेक आइसक्रीम, वी विल टेक आइसक्रीम. इफ यू वांट टू हैव
Ice cream.
विल हैव बुक्स. यू हैव पेन, यू विल टेक पेन. हाय शेषा, हाउ आर यू बेटा?
fine.
वेयर आर यू?
In my car.
सॉरी.
I'm in my car, sir.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. वेयर आर यू गोइंग?
I'm going out.
वेयर आउट?
You don't know.
हाँ,
Alibag.
अलीबाग.
Yeah.
Sir, I also went to Alibag.
अच्छा, वेरी गुड. बट मेरे को भी लेके जाते तो क्लासिक कैंसिल हो जाता.
Sir,
लेकिन नहीं.
sir,
हाँ, बोला.
so when I was coming from Alibag, I was also sitting in the car and having taking the class.
ठीक है. नाउ फालतू का डिस्कशन कुछ कर लो. सब कुछ. एक मिनट. एक छोड़.
Keyboard is equal to 2 2 are 4. 2 2 are 4. 0 का 0 है. Simple है.
ठीक है, चलो. Come on. So we'll take another one. Now you have 10 mangoes, right? Correct?
Yes.
है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So if you have 10 mangoes, you have to distribute it in 2 friends. How many mangoes each will get?
20.
अच्छा, very good. 10 mangoes.
So
You have
five,
total 10
five,
mangoes.
Five.
5. Correct? So 5 plus 5 become 10. Correct?
10.
Now you have 30 mangoes. How much everybody will get?
Sir, how many mangoes?
30, 30.
15.
15.
Correct. What are you doing? You are dividing by 10, right? 15 plus 15 become 20. Correct?
20.
You have 50 mangoes. Now?
25.
25.
25.
Correct? You have 100 mangoes.
50.
वेरी गुड. देखो, मैंगोज क्या तो सबको आ गया. कॉइन किसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, राइट? मैंगोज बोला तो सबको समझ में आने लगा. गॉट इट?
Yes.
एवरीबडी इज
Yes.
क्लियर नाउ? एनीबडी हैज अ डाउट
Yes.
स्टिल?
No.
No.
नहीं, जिसका डाउट है वो यस बोलेगा. नहीं डाउट है तो आई विल अज्यूम दैट दे डोंट हैव डाउट. करेक्ट है? So what I'm doing, 2 coins, that is how many coins are of that particular denomination. 10 paisa, 5 paisa, 20 paisa, 25 paisa, 50 paisa, 2 rupee or 5 rupee. Suppose if I say I have 5 rupee coin, correct? Chalo. मैं बोलो I have 5 rupees coin and I have 100 rupees to give, right? How many coins will be there? 5 rupees. Anybody can give me answer? How many 5 rupees coin will make 200 rupees, right?
5 coin.
How many 5 rupees coin will be there in 100 rupees? If I say 5
Okay.
plus 5 plus 5 plus 5
At
plus 5.
20.
किसने आंसर दिया?
20.
किसने आंसर दिया?
Rahanj.
राहंस. कैसे किया बेटा?
100 multiplied by 2, 200. So minus.
Sabas.
So we'll cut
Very good.
0.
Very good. So what you do?
And
multiply by 2 here, multiply by 2 here, right? So you get 200 divided by 10. 10, 10 cut, 20 coins. Easy hai?
Yes.
Correct. Whether it is 5 paisa or it is 5 rupee, or it is 20 paisa or 20 rupees, whether it is 50 paisa or 50 rupees, does not matter, right? डिवीजन तो एक ही होने वाला, पैसा है रुपीज से, राइट? या तो 5 रुपीज का कॉइन है या तो 5 पैसे का कॉइन है। ये पैसा हो गया, 5 रुपये हो गया। कोई फर्क पड़ेगा डिवीजन करने में? यहाँ पे पैसे में कन्वर्ट करो और डिवाइड करो, यहाँ पे रुपी रखो और डिवाइड करो, सेम आने वाला, राइट?
Yes.
नंबर ऑफ करेंसी नोट्स और नंबर ऑफ नोट्स और कॉइन्स सेम ही होने वाला है, राइट है?
Yes.
Yes, so you should know how to divide them, right? Now addition. Whenever you want to add, what it says, now there are two methods you can add, right? Either you can directly write. Now this is one thing I'm teaching you. This will work for a lot of things, right? This will work for all the decimal conversions. क्या है? All the decimal units. Decimal units. What the decimal unit means? I'll teach you what is decimal also, which is point, right?
Yeah.
Which written as point. Now, what is a decimal conversion comes as, right? What is a decimal conversion will come, right? Okay. That means every unit is either multiply by 10, divide by 10, multiply by 100, divide by 100, multiply by 1000 or divide by 1000, correct? The next unit will come with the either multiply, divide by 10, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh and so on, correct? There is nothing called as 20 multiply or 30 multiply or 40 multiply or 50 multiply, nothing like this. Only 10, 100,000, correct? That is called as decimal units. क्या करते हैं?
Decimal.
Very good. Now, I just give you one example. I'll just give you one example. Sorry?
Sir, may Anaika go to washroom?
Yes, बेटा, ठीक है। Now, अनायका कितनी बार जा रही है? अभी तो पहले 15 मिनट पहले तो जाके आई थी।
No, sir.
ठीक है, चलो। Now, your rupee, suppose if you rupee 5. So, if you want to convert it into paisa, how much you will get? Multiply by 100, right? Multiplication with 100 is easy. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, get 500. Because what you do, 5 and just put 2 zeros here, right? So it is
Yes, sir.
paisa, right? Now this is conversion rupee to paisa, right? It is multiplied by 100. Suppose you say 1 kg is equal to how many grams?
100,000.
1000. So what do you multiply
1000
by 1000, correct? So this is also decimal. Okay. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters?
1,000 meters.
1000. So again it is multiplied by 1000. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter?
1,000.
अच्छा, वेरी गुड। आंख बंद करके बोलो जो तुमको जो भी बोलने का, राइट?
10. 10.
10, शाबाश। 1 सेंटीमीटर इज 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 सेंटीमीटर।
100.
कुछ बोलो। 10, 100, 1000 एक तो करेक्ट निकलेगा, राइट? है कि नहीं?
100.
So multiply by 100, right? 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter?
1,000.
10. 1 सेंटीमीटर तुम्हारा स्केल है, स्केल?
हाँ। Yes.
लेंथ मास कैपेसिटी बाद में सिखाऊंगा, बट आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू ऑल दिस आल्सो कम्स एज अ डेसिमल यूनिट, करेक्ट? क्या होता है? ये डेसिमल यूनिट में आता है, राइट? इट इज वेरी इजी टू add decimal units because you can keep it separate money, you can separate paisa, you can keep separate kg, you can see separate grams, you can keep separate meter, you can keep separate centimeter, right? Clear? So here you want to add this. इसने क्या किया? They have converted into paisa. Here they have converted into paisa. They added and then again you convert into rupee, right? अपने को ये कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है। I'll show you simple method. Rupee and पैसा अलग अलग लिख दो। क्या करो? इसमें कितने रुपी है एंड कितने पैसा है? How many rupees are there here in this?
39 rupees.
39 rupees. And पैसा कितना है?
65.
5.
plus how many rupees
24.
24.
and paisa?
And 78.
78. 78.
Now can you add this? This is two table. This will be only paisa and this will be only rupee, right? Now when you add this, what will happen? Normal addition you do. Whatever you do a normal addition. Correct? So what is it? 6, 5, 13, 3 carry over, 3 यहाँ पे, right? 13 plus 1, 4, 1 carry, right? 10 plus 4, 14 plus 1 carry, 64. क्या हो गया? This will give 3 rupees के नीचे कितना है? 64 और पैसे के नीचे?
43.
अब इसको कन्वर्ट करना है तो डेसिमल में 64
4.
14 हो गया?
43.
This is one way to do it. Second way, instead of writing rupee and paisa, you write only decimal. 39.65 plus 24.78. Correct? 8 plus 5, 13. 1 carry over. 13 plus 1, 14. 1 carry over. Correct? 10 plus 4, 14. 1 carry over. 6. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
So you don't have to convert, don't have to remove decimal. You can write either this way or this way. Both ways it is okay. Clear? Here you will get this rupee unit, this is also rupee unit, this is also rupee unit. Direct answer. Clear hai?
Yes.
Correct. So you don't have to do all this. Convert the amount into figures, convert amount into paisa, find the sum of the paisa, convert this. All can be avoided, right? This all can be avoided. Correct?
Yes.
Which one is easy? This one is easy, what I showed you, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear hai? Now why I am teaching you this? Because this will be used in many of the further chapters. Length, mass, capacity, इसमें सब कुछ वो डेसिमल यूज होगा, राइट है?
Yes, sir.
यस, चलो हम लोग कहाँ गए? वेरी देवर, हाँ, यस, करेक्ट. ठीक है, चलो. So now can we do it? Now this, if it is space is not given, okay. Now यहाँ पे क्या है? Simpler addition. Write the amounts in figure. Arrange the amounts in a column such that the point remains in one column. That decimal point remains on the one column. Add the amount ordinary numbers. Put the point in the same place. जैसे मैंने अभी right side में बताया ना, ये same है, right? So how they are doing? See, exactly same way what I showed you, right? Point के नीचे point and रुपये के नीचे रुपये and पैसे के नीचे पैसा. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Easy to add?
Yes, sir.
Very good. चलो. Who will solve this is again adding the following amount to convert into पैसा, right? अब पैसे में convert करना है, अपने को नहीं करना है, right? ठीक है, उसमें क्या कहता है? Add the rupee and this thing. क्या कहता है? Add the following amount by converting into पैसा, right? लेकिन अगर तुम पैसे में नहीं कन्वर्ट करोगे तुमको आंसर रॉन्ग मिलेगा. क्लियर बेटा?
Yes.
Why? Although the answer will be right, final answer will be right, but you will not get marks. क्यों? क्यों?
Because we did with the rupee.
Correct. Because you use a different method. They ask you very specifically following amount by converting into पैसा, right? Add
Yes.
करके convert करके. तो पहले क्या करो यहाँ पे? I'll just write here. What is that? 3629. नहीं, 18 and 36. 1836
87.
plus what do you get? 2958.
5.
ये कौन ऐड करेगा मेरे लिए? सैशा.
Yes, sir.
You will add 1, 2, 3, 4, right? There is some answer you will get, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. चलो, तो what you will add first? Right hand side 6 plus 8 कितना होता है बेटा?
44.
Very good. 4 आ गया. 1 कैरी ओवर हो गया तो 1 कैरी ओवर पर माइंड में रख लेंगे, राइट?
794.
ओ, कौन बोल रहा है? कौन बोल रहा है? कौन होशियार है? कौन होशियार है? इफ यू आर सो टैलेंटेड, फिनिश द वर्क, राइट? या सेशा, नेक्स्ट.
9, sir.
Very good. No carry over. Then here. 8 plus 9.
Yes, sir. 17. 7, 1 carry over.
1 carry over. And here
4.
4. Correct? So this much
Yes,
you got paisa. You convert this into again rupee and paisa. Correct? This you have to convert into rupee and paisa again. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
So convert के rupee and paisa में क्या करने का? You take 2 numbers out. Correct? So rupee is equal to 46, 47.94. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
So you can do this. Yes. तो आंसर क्या हो गया? यहाँ पे लिख के वर्किंग वेव शोन अप, यहाँ पे आंसर लिख दो ये वाला, राइट? सो दोज हु आर डूइंग सॉफ्ट कॉपी, यू हैव ऑन द टॉप यू हैव टाइम. ओके, वन मोर विल डू इट एंड रेस्ट विल डू इट फॉर द अदर क्लास, राइट? चलो, हु विल डू? अद्विका, यू वांट टू डू इट?
Okay.
वेरी गुड. चलो, टेल मी सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट विल राइट?
39.
4 9
75.
7 5, right? Plus
Yeah. Plus 9.
9
65.
6 5, right? See, if you tell me only 9 or
Yes.
44 9, okay, you should write only the digits, right? Nothing else, right? Now add, beta.
5 plus 5, 10.
Very good. Then
14.
very good.
Nineteen.
Very good.
5.
Very good. Clear everyone?
Yes.
बहुत easy है.
Yes, sir.
Very good. ठीक है. चलो, everybody will be able to do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Very good. So answer यहाँ पे लिख दो इसमें.
Yes.
It is 40 and 59. Correct? Rest of the things we'll do it in next class. मतलब मेरे दूसरे क्लास में, मंडे वाले क्लास में, right? ठीक है. So I'm giving some sample which earlier we have done all of this, right? Now again this is you have to do it like this. कोई conversion नहीं करने का, right? You don't have to do any conversion, right? So what you do? Convert into rupees, right? And then right here, what I'm writing is x point x. Okay. Here. This. Okay. Clear है? चलो, who is going to solve this? One by one. किसका नंबर नहीं आया है? किसका नंबर नहीं आया?
सर कियांश को अभी भी समझ नहीं आया।
क्या समझ नहीं आ रहा बेटा?
ये वाला
क्या?
ये वाला जो अभी आप करवा रहे हो।
अभी मैंने कराया कहाँ है? अब तो मैं चालू कर रहा हूँ. कराया कहाँ है मैंने? I am just writing any number which is x, right? ठीक है बेटा? I don't know what will come here. That is why I am writing x, right? Clear है? ठीक है? Now you want to do it? Yes.
Yes.
Very good. चलो बताओ क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? What will be this place? 4
You
प्लस
have to
6।
add.
हाँ, ये क्या लिखा है? एडिशन लिखा है ना बेटा यहाँ पे। क्या लिखा है? एड द फॉलोइंग
हाँ,
अमाउंट्स, राइट? क्या लिखा है?
okay.
वेरी गुड।
Add
यहाँ
the
पे लिख के
following
भी
amount.
दिया है एंड देव गोना हियर प्लस ऑल्सो, राइट? तो मतलब ऐड ही करना है ना बेटा?
Yes.
बोलो।
Then 0, 1 carry.
वेरी गुड।
0 and 1 carry.
देन
14. Here 14, 1 carry.
वेरी गुड।
12, 1 carry.
वेरी गुड।
And 15,
वेरी गुड।
1 carry.
1 एंड 5, करेक्ट?
Yes.
समझ में आ गया? इजी है?
Yes.
Yes,
करेक्ट?
sir.
एवरीबडी, इट इज इजी फॉर एवरीवन।
Yes.
नॉर्मल एडिशन है, नो बिग टास्क,
Yes, sir.
एवरीबडी विल बी एबल टू डू इट।
Yes.
Yes,
कौन
sir.
ट्राई करना चाहेगा? वांट्स टू ट्राई?
Kian.
कियान, ओके
Rahan.
चल कियान, नेक्स्ट।
3, 1 carry.
वेरी गुड, नेक्स्ट।
4, 1 carry.
वेरी गुड,
3, 1 carry.
वेरी गुड।
9.
हो गया? डन? नेक्स्ट वन मोर।
Rahan.
रांच, बोल बेटा।
5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry forward.
एक मिनट है बेटा।
Very good.
आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग दिस ऑन ऑल। ये मैं आराम से लिख सकता हूँ, राइट? ये 3 रीड का है यार, ये एक जैसे मुश्किल से करता हूँ, दूसरा और आ जाता है। रीड तो यहाँ पे 4 रीड हुआ था। I'm just writing here XXX, so you can solve this whenever you want, right? However you want. चलो, हम लोग कच करेंगे, पूरा नहीं करेंगे, थोड़ा सा ही करेंगे, राइट? एक दो क्वेश्चन और करेंगे, देन विल गो टू अनदर ग्रुप। चलो नेक्स्ट।
1 carry
बिकॉज यू
forward,
डू
9 plus
सब्ट्रैक्शन
7.
आल्सो। हाँ, ओके,
1 carry
यस,
forward,
दिस
9
इज
plus
0, 1 कैरी ओवर, देन
9 plus 7, 16 plus 1, 17.
वेरी गुड, 1
7
कैरी ओवर।
and 1 carry forward. 10 plus 9, 16 plus 1 carry forward is
अरे
17.
हाँ वेरी गुड। तो 7 बोलो, ये आंसर बोलो बेटा डायरेक्ट, मैं समझ जाऊंगा तू क्या बोल रहा है, राइट? क्लियर?
1 carry forward, 7.
वेरी गुड, करेक्ट, ठीक है।
Yeah.
चलो 2 मोर, कौन करेगा? आरव का हो गया, अद्वैने का, अद्वी का बाकी है, अद्वी का, अद्वी का बाकी है, और बस अद्वी का बाकी है,
Sir,
अनय का बाकी है। मैं आएगा भी, सब्ट्रैक्शन भी आएगा, डोंट वरी, विल गेट अ सब्ट्रैक्शन आल्सो।
sir,
अद्वी
can
का,
I do addition? Sir, can I do?
अद्वी
Sir,
का बोल
can
बेटा।
Anaika do addition?
हूँ बेटा,
Anaika.
अनय का एक आएगा, इसके बाद का तू
Also
करना।
did not do.
Sir,
हाँ,
15.
Also did not do.
आएगा बेटा, अभी सब्ट्रैक्शन में आएगा ना बेटा, सब्ट्रैक्शन आएगा, डोंट वरी। चलो अद्विका, विल डू दिस।
15.
3 डिजिट वाला, 3 डिजिट वाला यहाँ पे, राइट? विल डू दिस 3 डिजिट, 11 वाला कर, चल।
5 plus 5, 10.
ओके, 0,
16.
वेरी गुड,
14.
हाँ,
Sorry, 15.
करेक्ट। ये कैसे किया तूने, मेरे को बता। हाउ विल डू इट? एक कैरी ओवर, तो 9 + 1 10, 2 + 3 5, so it will become 15, right? You have to split this.
Yes.
Then how will you do this?
19.
कैसे किया 19?
Um, 7 plus 6 is
How did you do it? मैंने एक तरीका बताया था, मालूम है? I showed you one good method to do it, right?
I
मैंने
did
कैसा
7 plus
मैंने क्या बताया
6,
था मेथड?
13
अगर
plus
इस सीक्वेंस
5.
में है 5 6 7 इज सीक्वेंस नंबर, राइट? करेक्ट है? तो सीक्वेंस
Yes.
नंबर में क्या करो? व्हाट यू शुड डू?
Yes, sir.
इस सीक्वेंस नंबर में व्हाट यू शुड डू इज
8 plus 6.
6, टेक द मिडल नंबर, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, करेक्ट? तो 6 इज 18 प्लस 1 कैरी ओवर 19। क्लियर? इजी है? चलो अनेका,
Yes, sir.
अनेका नेक्स्ट वन देखो। 5 5 5 है तो क्या करेगा?
Sir, 5 5 5.
नेक्स्ट वन 12th वन बेटा।
12th one. So wait 1 second. So sir, it will be 15.
हाउ डू
5
यू डू इट?
5 down, 1 and carry over.
नहीं, हाउ डू यू डू इट? 15 हाउ डू यू डू इट? 5 + 5 + 5 किया, 5 3 किया।
5 3s are.
वेरी गुड, 5 3 15, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट
Then 5 plus 6 equals to 11 plus 1 equals to 12. So
Very
2
good.
there. 1 carry over.
राइट,
Now 7 plus 8 equals to 7 plus 3 equals to 10.
वेरी गुड,
19.
वेरी
So
नाइस,
9 comes here, 1 goes carry over.
राइट।
9 and then 1 plus 2 equals to 3.
क्लियर?
Hmm.
इजी?
Yes.
मजा आया?
Yes.
चलो, सो विल डू दिस। चलो नेक्स्ट, ये भी ये छोड़ दो। नाउ व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, arrange the following amount into column and add, right? So you have to do what we have done in the column, same way, correct? This is how you have to write. So what I am doing here, just check. Now again you have numbers available here, right? So what you do, please keep the digits into proper order, correct? क्या करो? Proper order में एक एक स्पेस करके करो, तो it is easy. Suppose I am writing this number, right? I am writing this रुपये के बाद एक स्पेस छोड़ दो, right? Leave one space, say 75 and 75, right? Then you do, just leave those space, right? Plus, I'm just writing the numbers here, right? Then you write numbers, correct? And then you write answer, correct? ठीक है? I'm just writing the numbers here. 85.85, 67.95, correct? Clear? Easy? So which one is easy for you, to write like this or keep some space here?
Leave some space.
Looks better?
Yes.
अच्छा दिख रहा है ना?
Hmm.
ठीक है, so what you should do, x x x point x x, correct? Now x means what? We don't know what is the answer, correct? Clear? So what do you do? X x x, correct? Chalo. So I'll copy this and do it later on. Okay, who wants to solve this? Same hai? Okay, Arav, you wanted to solve, right?
Yes.
Chalo karo. One I'm showing you, 3 rest of the thing you have to do it, right? And you have to show the working, correct? You have to show the working properly, right? If you're doing a soft copy, it is 1, then you have 2, then you have 3, and then you have 4 chance. You have enough space to do it, right? If you're doing in a book, that is also okay, right?
Sir, I am doing in book.
हाँ बोलो.
5 plus 5. Sir, the first one should be 5
हाँ
above and the second one
ठीक है. वो
10.
कैरी ओवर वन, वो कैरी ओवर अपना समझ लेना. डायरेक्ट बोल. अभी इसको क्या करेगा? 7, 8, 9. हाउ विल यू ऐड?
26. So
नहीं, हाउ
6.
विल यू ऐड 7, 8, 9?
9 plus 8 equals to 17.
9.
7.
There are two different ways to do it. One carry over, right? There are two different ways you can do it, right? One is 9 plus 1, 10, because you got one carry over, right?
Yes.
And 8 plus 7, 15. So 15 plus 15 plus 10, 25, right?
Yes.
Or alternatively, what you can use, 7, 8, 9 is sequence number. So it's either 24 plus 1, 25. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is easier and quicker way to do it, right? Pattern ढूंढो हर एक में, right? How much carry over?
2.
2. अब क्या करेगा इसमें?
8. 8.
गलत जवाब.
So, sir, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 17.
हाँ
9. 9.
हाँ समझ आया. दो कैरी ओवर है, राइट, पीछे से. देन अगेन वन कैरी ओवर.
21. 21.
हाँ क्या किया? 7,
Sir,
8.
2.
वेरी गुड. इट इज 22. अभी है ही नहीं कुछ लिखने के लिए बेटा.
So, 2 there also.
करेक्ट, 22. क्लियर? इजी इट इज.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. अब कर सकते हो आराम से.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. सो नाउ इफ यू आर डूइंग सॉफ्ट कॉपी, मैं तुमको करेक्ट बता रहा हूँ इसका. हाउ यू कैन डू इट, राइट? अब यहाँ पे क्या है? 3 डिजिट है, 2 डिजिट है, 3 डिजिट है, राइट? 2 डिजिट है अगेन, राइट? सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन हैव एक्स 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 रिटर्न एंड देन यू कैन डू इट, राइट? तो ये कॉपी कर सकते हो, कॉपी कर. तुम्हारे नोटबुक में तो इट इज इजियर टू राइट, राइट? करेक्ट है.
Yeah.
सो डू दिस. करेक्ट. ऐड द फॉलोइंग अमाउंट्स. 60 पैसा. अब इससे बोला नहीं कैसे ऐड करने का, राइट? करेक्ट. तो कैसे यूज करोगे? हाउ विल यू यूज? हाउ विल यू यूज? चलो फर्स्ट एक लिखूं मैं. चलो विल कन्वर्ट इनटू पैसा.
Yes.
यस वेरी गुड. तो विल कॉपी दिस ओनली, राइट? अपने पास ऑलरेडी है. कॉपी करो और लिखो यहाँ पे, राइट? तो फॉर्मेट अपने पास रेडी है ऑलरेडी. क्लियर है? चलो अब बताओ कि कैसे करोगे. कौन आएगा यहाँ पे? आई विल इनवाइट समवन.
Go to the washroom.
राहांश.
Sir, can I do?
कौन? सब तुम लोग को ही करने का बेटा. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग आइडिया, राइट? चलो राहांश पहला वाला ले, 18 वाला. राहांश
Yeah, 19.
19.76.
6
वेरी गुड. देन
9 rupees point 9 paisa.
क्या लिखोगी यहाँ पे?
9.
0.9. अगर 0 नहीं लिखा तो चलेगा, बट यू टू गिव स्पेस देयर, राइट? करेक्ट.
80 rupees point 08 paisa.
नहीं, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे 0.9. करेक्ट. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
0.
18 रुपीज. So it will be 1.8. यहाँ क्या लिखोगा? 0.8. करेक्ट. देन वन मोर, राइट? सो व्हाट विल डू? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? पता बेटा क्या आएगा?
So when is the class going to end?
हाँ 2 मिनट बेटा, राइट? What will happen? Here 0 and 0, correct? And you have 9 and 8, correct? You can add this.
Yes.
Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. ठीक है, ये ऐड कर लोगे? ठीक है, easier to write. Correct? Only thing is there are 4, right? Clear है?
Yes.
ठीक है. Following convert into पैसे. आ जाएगा पैसे में कन्वर्जन?
Yes.
ठीक है. Subtract. Same way subtraction how you are doing. Same way convert into paisa. Subtract it, borrow and subtract it. Right? Done. Now word problems. We'll do it in word problem. Everybody prepare this and come. Now then we'll do the multiplication. Correct? Same way multiplication you do. Nothing different. Okay. Same multiplication you are doing, and then you put the decimal point as a late. Right? Done. So next class we'll finish with the money chapter. Correct? And then we'll start with the length mass capacity, which is similar to this. So by September end, we'll complete the length mass capacity also. Correct? We'll do one each exercise, and then I'll give rest of the example. ये वाला, right? ठीक है? Done?
Yes.
चलो.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.